Hey guys, so today I'm doing a get ready with me because it's my birthday. I don't know why I'm out of prep. But yeah, I'm 22 today. And yeah, let's just get into this because I don't have, I wouldn't say I have that much time. Yeah. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Oh, listen, can you go on my makeup case really quickly? I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Also, guys, I'm testing out my new camera. This was a late Christmas gift from my mommy. I'm just gonna count it as a birthday gift too, even though I know she probably got me something for my birthday. But yeah, I got the Canon EOS Rebel T6i, and so far I really like it. This is my first time using it actually, but I really like it. I should have gotten a Canon years ago.
Bend over, let me grab you.
Yo, Smalls, turn up on
I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids, and I'm using my Conceal and Define concealer, and this is the shade C13.
Bend over, let me 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 grab you. Bend over, let me bend over, let me bend over, let me bend over, let me bend over, let me.
Okay, so for my eyeshadow today, I'm using the Swear By It palette from NYX. To here. And I'm going to be taking this big fluffy brush, and I'm going to take this brown shade right here. Okay, I'm gonna take another fluffy brush, and I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I'm gonna mix it with the first brown shade that we use.
Bend over, let me 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 grab you. Bend over, let me 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 grab you. Bend over, let me 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 grab you.
I'm gonna go back to that first fluffy brush and just blend out the edges. Now I'm gonna cut my crease, and I'm using the shade Natural from LA Girl, and this is their Pro Concealer. go ahead and take this kind of flat, fluffy brush, and I'm gonna take this shade right here.
Bend over, let me 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 grab you. Bend over, let me 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 grab you. Bend over, let me 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 grab you.
Yo, Smalls, turn up on
Cute. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with this brush, and I'm not taking any extra product on it, but I'm going to just go into my outer corner and just kind of make them mesh a little bit better. I'm gonna take the NYX Epic Ink liner in black and just do some eyeliner. Do a quick little flick.
Bend over, let me bend over, let me grab you. Bend over, let me 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 grab you. Bend over, let me 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 grab you.
Okay, brief intermission while I do my sister's eyeliner. Hold on. Okay, so I have my lashes setting aside to dry. So while they're sitting there, I'm just gonna do my foundation, and as always, I'm using Fenty. Okay, one of my lashes looks like they're dry, so I'm just gonna put that on so that it doesn't fully dry, and then, you know, I don't have time to maneuver it or make it work. Okay, now I'm gonna conceal while I wait for my other lash to dry down.
Bend over, let me 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 grab you. Bend over, let me 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 grab you. Crazy way. Grab it. Let me 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 grab it.
Yo, Smalls, turn up on the
Bend over, let me 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 grab it. Grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it.
When you do what you do, 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 when you do what you do.
I'm gonna go ahead and do my under eye area, and for that I'm using this glitter called Platinum Rain, and this is from Mo Glitz and Glam. I will tag them in the video and leave their information down below. Before I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my other lash.
Bend over, let me 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 grab you. Bend over, let me 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 grab you.
Okay, so I'm gonna take some of my NYX glitter primer and I'm gonna put that under my eye.
Yo, Smalls, turn up on the
Bend over, let me 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 grab you. Grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it.
When you do what you do, 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 when you do what you do.
Let me bend over, 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 let me grab you. Bend over, let me 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 grab you. Bend over, let me 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 grab you.
Crazy way.
Grab it, let me 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 grab it.
Yo, Smalls, turn up on the
I'm gonna do my bottom lashes.
Bend over, let me grab it. Grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it.
When you do what you do.
Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead. Oh my god. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face.
Let me grab it, let me grab it, let me grab it, let me grab it. Bend over, let me 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 grab you. Bend over, let me 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 grab you. Bend over, let me.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight, and I'm using the Amrezy and Anastasia highlighter. I haven't used this in a minute, and I felt like using it today. So, yeah.
Bend over, let me grab it.
Crazy way.
Grab it, let me grab it, let me grab it, let me grab it.
So I'm gonna spray and then highlight again, and then spray again.
Bend over, let me 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 grab it. Grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it.
When you do what you do, 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 when you do what you do.
I'm trying not to breathe. You're trying to be like Flat Stanley at the video.
Yep.
To do my lips, I'm gonna use my espresso lip pencil. It's a good thing I have a backup of this because Lily. Oh
No, that was me.
I'm like, what is she doing to the backdrop?
She's playing in your.
Bend over, let me bend over, let me grab you. Bend over, let me 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 grab you. Bend over, let me 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 bend over.
For my lips, I'm taking Corset.
Bend over, let me grab you. Grab you. Let me 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 grab you.
Real Smalls, turn up on the breakfast.
Bend over, bend over, bend over, bend over, bend over, bend over.
And for gloss, I'm taking this Buxom lip gloss in the shade Serena. It's a good thing that we can laugh at ourselves. Look how pretty this gloss is, you guys. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoy your day or night or morning, whatever time you're gonna be watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.